Google Nano 2 is now a part of Adobe Firefly boards, and this is what makes it so awesome. My name is Jared Liu. I'm a content creator and educator in the creative AI space. Huge thanks to Adobe for once again sponsoring this video. Let's dive in to see how cool this looks on Adobe Firefly boards. The key standout feature is that Nano 2 has access to search online on Google. So anything that you prompt, there's actually a button that you can select for it to search online to give it more context. This is great if you're creating stuff like infographics, thumbnails, or any type of graphic or brochure that requires some live information. So if I were to type in a prompt saying, hey, make me an infographic about the weather here in Melbourne, it would actually do a search online and get those details before coming back into the tool and giving me an image with those exact details in there. This can also work for like sporting events, live events, anything that does require a search. It gives it an extra level of tuition when you are prompting. And it's really cool that you can switch this on and off depending on what you need, and it will go and search for information to help give you potentially a better image. Nano 2 also makes some really high quality images. You can get more than 1080p now on anything that you create in any sort of aspect ratio that you need, but since it's in Adobe Firefly boards, you have the power to do more with the image as well. One of this is obviously going to the video step, and since Adobe Firefly boards has just launched Kling 2.6 when it comes to videos, you have a really strong AI video generator that can use your Nano 2 images to create really fun cinematic shots such as this one. Nano 2 is probably the strongest image modifier tool as well out there. So any image that you create on Nano 2, you can reuse that as a prompt, as a reference to get different angles. And you can completely change the camera angle of the scene, zoom in on the person's face, zoom into something else, and it produces the images also in super high quality. This is great if you want to get multiple angles of a scene as part of your ideation process. The last workflow I like to use on Nano is once I create an image and say I made an image here of a product, it's a sustainable tote bag kind of brand, I wanted to add some graphics to it. It went online and searched for some ways that we could talk about how this bag was so sustainable, and it added it on as annotations and graphics on the image. If I take the start frame, the original image, and the new one created with all the annotations, I can use an AI video tool such as Veo 3.1 or even the new Luma models with a start and end frame to animate the text appearing. It's a really cool effect that you can do completely in Adobe Firefly boards. Adobe are continuing to add more third-party models into their existing tools, and Adobe Firefly boards and the rest of the platforms are coming like a central spot where you can do many different things at once. Nano 2 is just such a powerful and flexible model, and it's great that you can just embed it directly into any flow you want now with Adobe Firefly boards.